Hi guys, welcome to my podcast. We're talking about a short story, Denini by Anton Chekhov. Alam niyo yung tipong napakasimple lang ng kwento, but napakaraming lesson na matutunan natin. So sometimes people stay silent even when they know they're being treated as unfairly. A girl, Yula, is about to get her salary, pero instead of giving the full amount, her employer starts making deductions para daw sa mga bagay na hindi naman napaka-importante. And the crazy part na ginawa ni Yula, she doesn't complain. She just accepts it quietly. Pero in the end, the employer gives her the full salary and says it was just a test. His point kasi too many people allow themselves to be cheated kasi they don't stand of what's right. Kasi kung iisipin natin, this still happen today. Sometimes we stay quiet sa trabaho, sa school, or even in relationship, di ba? Because we're scared or we don't want conflict. Pero when we stay silent, we give more power to those who take advantage to us as a person. Okay? So, yeah, humility is good. Pero huwag natin kalimutan yung worth natin as a person. Kasi if we don't speak up or if you don't speak up, tuluyan or tuloy-tuloy na malalamangan tayo ng ibang tao. So, sabi nga ni Chekhov reminds us it's not just all about being kind. It's all about standing up for yourself or ourselves. Okay? So, that's all for today podcast. Goodbye.